Let's move on to the next one. The next one says, find the 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 upon 3 root x power 18, where x is not equal to 0. We're supposed to find the 13th term. So let's take a look at the 13th term. T13 will be actually T12 plus 1. Right? This will be T12 plus 1, which is 18C12, 9x power difference of these two, that is 18 minus 12, and the second term of the binomial is 3 root x minus 1 upon 3 root x power 12. This is what you have. NCR, first term power n minus r, second term power r. That's what you have, right? That's the general term for this expansion. And can we simplify this further? Yes, we can simplify this further to get something easier. But as you may see over here, 18C12 is pretty big. But let's see what happens over here is 18C12. Let's try to find that. 18C12 is same as 18C6, right? Okay. So what I'll have is 18, 17, 16, 18C6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll have 15, 14 and 13, right? 6 terms here, 6 terms here. Then you have 9x power 6. So this is 9 power 6 times x power 6. Then you have minus 1 power 12, which is plus 1. Okay. Then you have 3 power 12 in the denominator. Okay. This is 3 power 12. Okay. That's interesting. 3 power 12 and 9 power 6 are same, right? They will get cancelled. Under root of x power 12. This will be x power 12 by 2, which is x power 6. Okay. That will also get cancelled. We just have to find this expression. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. So what do I have over here is 6 times 3 is 18. This gets cancelled. Then you have a 4 and a 2. 4 times 2 is 8, which gets cancelled over here. Then you have 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, so what remains? What remains is 17 remains. Okay, 2 times 3 remains, which is 6. Let's call this 6. 14 remains and 13 remains. This is what we have remaining over here. What else? 9 power 6, 3 power 12 are same. Let me write them. 9 power 6 and this is also 9 power 6. This is x power 6 over this is again x power 6. These terms will get cancelled and you will get a 1 in product. So we are only supposed to find this product over here. How do we go about finding this? Let's multiply them together. This is 15 plus 2. This is 15 minus 2. Right or not? Yes. So 15 plus 2, 15 minus 2 can be multiplied very easily. 17 and 13. The product is 225 minus 4, which is 221. The product of these two. And what is 14 times 6? Now that's simple. 14 times 6 is 84. Yes, this is 84. And 84 times 221 is what we are supposed to find now. Let's multiply them together. 221 times 84. Okay. And how do we multiply them together? Let's multiply them. This is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 1 is also 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6, 1 carry. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25, 5 and 2 carry, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 plus 0 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, this is what you get. 18564 is what I get, this is 18564, this should be my answer for this question over here. Is that all? Yes, that's all in this question as you can clearly see behind me.